fucked up days I had this year, this one is the worst.
So you caught your wife with another man. Big deal, Marcus. We've all been through that.
It was a woman. My wife's a lesbian.
Wow, that's hot.
I think so too, except for the fact that she's my wife and now she's divorcing me so she can marry her lesbian friend named Tiffany.
Your wife is fucking a hot lesbian named Tiffany? Man, you need to be hitting both of them at the same time.
No, man, I'm done. I'm done with her and her hot lesbian named Tiffany, who she left me for. I got a job. I got a life. Why do I need her?
That's a good point. Hey, man, no disrespect, but if you tired of your wife and a hot lesbian, you need to put your boy on, man.
It means shoot you, Jerry, without this close to crossing the line, and I don't care if I leave a bullet trail in my friend's leg as I do it.
I'm just joking, man.
And the worst part is she took the videotapes. She could have at least left me those.
Hell no.